Okay, we got our pieces here. We got our 3 for our center. These are our 2 pieces for our very outside. And these 2 pieces is going to incorporate our neck. You don't have to worry about this. This is going to get cut out. So we're going to start by gluing these pieces together. And we're just going to do 2 at a time, these 2. And then we will add 1 piece. 1 piece at a time so it doesn't slip and slide on us. So what I'll do is we'll glue this piece on, we'll let it set for a few hours, then we can add the other piece and then let it set up real good overnight, and then we'll be ready to go on to the next part. But you just want to do, after you get these 2 pieces glued, you just want to glue 1 at a time so it doesn't slip and slide on you. Because if you try to do too many at one time, you're going to have a hard time getting everything to line up and stay lined up and not slide. You want to make sure you cover your entire piece with glue. Add a little more, it's a little dry. You don't want it coming apart on you. Set this on here. Make sure you get it lined up where you want it. So you just want to get your clamp just a little snug on there until you get them all set.
Thanks for listening to the Bob and Tom Show this morning. The show is also out there for you on our YouTube channel. Watch and subscribe. Based on healthy non-smoking pretty girl female with 20-year term policy rates may vary. Eligible policies and estate planning tools can vary by state.
It's a busy life. You have enough.
Make sure you put enough clamps on it.
To check life insurance off your list. It's called Ethos. With a thought of medical exams, forms to fill out, and the cost, it's easy to see why life insurance can fall to the bottom of your to-do list. But at Ethos Life, we've got your back. For about $1 a day, you could get $250,000 in term life insurance without medical exams.
Check your alignment.
Answer a few health questions and snap, family protected. You could get a quote in seconds, apply in minutes, and be covered in hours. No medical exams, no blood tests, no hassle. Right now, with your purchase of an eligible policy from Ethos, you'll get something else important to your family. Tools to create a legal will. A $449 value, yours free.
Once you got it set, then you can tighten it all down.
Hassle-free way to get affordable life insurance. Get your free online quote now at ethoslife.com. That's ethoslife.com.
Brought to you by Charlie Scotch. And start a home series tonight against Indianapolis. First pitch, 6:05. Elsewhere in baseball,
Guardians just wipe this glue off.
Padres found the Reds 8-3. In the NBA last night, James Harden dropped 45. 76ers take game 1 from the Celtics, 119-115.
So now we'll let this set up, let it dry for a few hours, then we can add the next piece on that. Thanks for watching.
Martin Truex Jr. takes a checkered flag at Dover.